everyone, so I hope you're doing better than me. So I'm doing a video today to give you an update on my situation. Basically, maybe some of you have noticed I was not posting a lot of video these days, and some of you also noticed maybe the photo that I upload on my Facebook with this one. My nice corset. So yeah, I got into a city accident basically, and to recap what happened, so as some of you remember, I did a video explaining my project with my 300 ZX. So this is my first one. When I moved in Japan, it was a non-turbo. I convert in a twin turbo, and then I start competition with this one. But to be more competitive, I bought that VH45 and planning to make it a turbo V8 swap in this one. But I was like, what I'm gonna do with the old V6? Then I found that car was abandoned with no engine, and then so basically I took the engine of this one and was installed on this one. So this one's gonna be for sale soon, but the VH here was supposed to go there, but meanwhile I was doing the project. I did found a nice 300 ZX slick top two-seater. So for people who don't know about 300 ZX, you have four chassis. You have the most common one that is a 2+2 T-top, like this one, so a four-seater. Then you have also the T-top version with the two-seater, and then after that you have the comfortable, the third one, and then you have the slick top or the hard top. That was only the fourth chassis made by Nissan for the 300 ZX, and they're really not common, but the hard top is really the best for racing because it's stiffer and lighter. Anyway, so I found a slick top, and then that VH here is gonna go in the slick top, and then this one's gonna be for sale, and then this one will receive a SR20 because in Japan you pay for the engine cylinder size, and since it's really expensive to run a 3000cc, I decided to go with the 2000cc. It's gonna be perfect for driving around, car meet, chilling. You know, it's gonna be my car for a road trip. I'm gonna stop doing drifting with this one. So all the competition part, like the just engineering angle kit, the scale suspension, everything's gonna be transferred on the slick top, and then the slick top is gonna be my pro drift car, full racing, cage, everything, and then this one go back on the streets. So then basically what happened, Saturday night I want to celebrate a little bit because I was happy. I finished that 300 ZX. I put back the engine, everything's running great. I tried to make it look like a little bit better for the sale. I put the cheap carbon fiber vinyl wrap. I know it's not the best, but anyway, was just trying to make it look like a little bit better. And then the new owner, if you want, you can repaint it. Anyway, it's a good setup. It's have a brand new harness. It's have nice standalone computer, almost 400 horsepower setup, and it's driving really good. The AC is working, everything's going well. And the car had only 70,000 kilometers. And then I believe for the sale it's gonna be good because it's have also no crash history on the paper. There's a small damage here, but anyway, it is what it is. And the new owner just need to give some love for the and cares for the paint, and he have a nice car. Interior is clean too. So anyway, I was happy. I was like, finally the car's finished. I'm gonna have a drink and chill. So Saturday night I was playing video game, drinking, having a good time. And then in the Sunday morning when I wake up, I was like feel a little bit hangover and then a little bit tipsy, and then I was like, oh, I need to go pee because, you know, so much alcohol in my body from the day before. And then so I start go downstairs because the toilet are downstairs in my house, and then like I missed the three last step, so I slipped through the three last step, and then I hit the ground with my butt, so really sit on the floor. So I feel a lot of pain in my back. I was struggling to breathe. I don't know what happened. And then after getting rushed to the hospital, I arrived at the hospital, I got the scan, and then they saw that I already had the vertebrae number 12, the T12, was crushed. So a compression fracture on my back. It was really painful. I had to stay at the hospital for like almost a month in the bed because I couldn't move. It was really hard time. So I had the chance to do the experience of the Japanese hospital. It was good. I didn't have any problem. The nurse and the people was really nice. The nice people taking care of the hospital was really chill. And then I received finally my corset because the guy had to come take my size, and then after that produce this corset so I can walk around safely without injuring more my back, because I record it and I can walk. It doesn't mean like I can lift stuff. I have to be careful. So now it's about 2 or 3 weeks after, and this day I can walk around without the corset when I'm doing anything special. But when I'm working on the car stuff, I have to keep it, otherwise it's painful on my back. The doctor says it's gonna take about maybe 2 or 3 months before I fully recover, and then I feel no more pain. So I'm gonna show you quickly the stair at my home, see what happened and how I end up slipping. Alright, so I need this for now. So basically here's the stairs. I go upstairs in my room, and then as you can see, it's really aggressive stairs. Japanese stairs are often compact, so short and really high in many houses. And yeah, as you can see, it's quite high. So I slipped on this one, and then my butt was maybe high like this, and then I fall here, snap my spine. I was laying down, looks stupid, and then yeah, that's the dangerous stairs. So this was the update on my situation for the accident. So you have to be careful if you come in Japan with the stairs. And so for the next step is gonna be to finish the 300 ZX with the slick top. I really want to finish to put the VH45 in the hardtop chassis, transfer everything from the white one to the hardtop, and then put on sales also the gray one. The gray one, once it's gonna be sold, we'll start looking for maybe opening a shop, because working at home, it's really narrow garage, narrow entrance, so it's really annoying to work there. So I want to start shopping for a garage where I can actually start making work. I want to buy a welding machine, start making fabrication. So yeah, I'm gonna keep updating you soon, guys. So thank you for watching, thank you for keep following me and supporting me in my madness. Don't forget to subscribe to all my media, Instagram, YouTube, my TikTok, Facebook page also. So drive safely, guys, and see you next time. Ciao.